Wanted to come out because I was walking around here at night and noticed that at nighttime, these plum trees are even more busy than the daytime with pollinators. I say pollinators, but it looks like at night it's just one pollinator, this moth. I wanted to see if I could try to get it on film. I do not have a clue what moth it is, but I do know what moth it is not. It is not a yucca moth. That I know for sure. But I do not know what it is. Maybe somebody watching can help me figure it out. Some kind of bug expert or something would be really nice. Yeah, I'm so clueless as to what this is. I don't know if it's migratory or if it's indigenous to the area. Trying to find one perching is what I'm trying to do. They are definitely going after the flowers. That moon is striking, all hazy and everything with the white flowers. Oh, here we go. This tree's got a ton. They're very skittish, like even more skittish than daytime pollinators. I imagine there must be some kind of nighttime predator that they're worried about, which makes them so skittish. I say I'm certain they're not a yucca moth, but probably shouldn't claim to be so certain. That their shape and everything's all wrong, their color's wrong. This guy, I see, as soon as I get close, I accidentally bump the tree. They go crazy. Let's see what we got here. I'll probably, when I get into editing, I'll search for maybe a still frame that I can freeze it on for you guys. I actually noticed these out here like a night ago and tried to identify it and figured I would come out and film it, because if I wait till I identify it, they might be gone. There's one. Oh, see, they won't sit still for me. Well, if anything, it's a really cool scene with the moon and the flowers. They're just going crazy. There's so many of them. Yeah, I never really knew they were out here. I'd hardly ever come outside at night to see what's going on. I imagine that's probably like a lot of farmers and gardeners. The moon is awesome. Just a little hidden part of nature. Figured I'd share with you guys. Oh, look, let's see if I can get this guy. Nope, he's not going to sit still. Yeah, he's busy. There we go. Got a fat abdomen. From the top, they have a heart shape. Looks like they have a brownish color, almost a grayish tinge. They're not really white. They got a big head. Let's see. I'm almost certain that when I get into editing, I'm going to see one on screen just sitting there. And I'm going to kick myself for not stopping and zooming in on it. But trying to look through the viewfinder, and then sometimes I look with my own eyes, and I know I'm probably missing something. Sorry about that.